I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick Alfredo sauce. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need butter, heavy cream, and fresh Parmesan cheese. Using fresh garlic is key for that authentic, rich flavor. Make sure your pasta is already cooked and drained, ready to be tossed with the sauce. This ensures everything comes together smoothly and quickly for a delicious meal. Now let's get cooking. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Next, slowly whisk in 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally, but don't let it boil rapidly. This is where the magic happens. Reduce the heat to low and gradually stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Keep stirring until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is smooth. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper to taste. If your sauce seems too thick, you can add a splash of the reserved pasta water to reach your desired consistency. Your delicious, quick Alfredo sauce is now ready. Immediately toss the warm sauce with your favorite cooked pasta, ensuring every strand is coated. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese for a beautiful finish. Serve it hot and enjoy your homemade meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.